Hello friends, I am Dr. N.S. Naik from the Department of Structural Engineering, College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Friends, here in the second video which is related to MD Solid software, now we will learn how to analyze determinate trusses. So here one tile is given for trusses. If you click this tile, you will find this interface and screen, and here it is highlighted truss analysis module. So let us create a new truss. If you are having drawing of that truss, then it's okay. Here for practice purpose, we will create a truss just without referring the drawing. Okay. So I will press this button, new truss. So here in the right corner, one window is open. So the first block of this window is horizontal spacing interval. So what will be the spacing interval of the truss that we have to define? Okay. Now in the analysis of a truss, we are finding the internal forces. So here no consideration is given for unit. Okay. Number of spaces, we can select number of spaces as per our requirement. You will be knowing the meaning of number of spaces when we complete the figure. Okay. Vertical spacing interval, here I will consider 4 meter or 4 units, say, and the number of vertical spaces I will select just one. I will explain you what is the meaning of this one and what is the meaning of this 5. So I will press OK. So we are having a grid. So this is the vertical interval 1. Only one space is there of height 4 meters, say, and the horizontal spacing is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 10. So how many spaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will create a truss. For example, if you are creating a truss like this, here we have selected create, we will create a members. Okay. So here you can draw a member. For this you have to press the left button of your mouse. This is vertical member, this is horizontal member, and this is again a vertical member, right? Now see, if you want to add one member like this, it will not take, because this particular layout is having only 4 joints. So to add inclined members like this, we must have joints at this point, first point, second point, like this. So for that, how to proceed, that I will explain you. I will come to the to left side of the screen. Here erase button is there. I will select that command and I will erase this member. Again I am pressing the left key of the mouse and just I am tracing all the members which I have created earlier. Okay, so I have deleted all the members. Now I will create new members, right? So first member I will create like this. Remember, we have to press the left button of mouse and we have to start like this. So this is the first member. Okay. From this is the second member. This is the third member. This is the fourth member. And this is the fifth member. Top chord members. Then I will draw one vertical member. Right. Then bottom chord member, first member, then connecting these two joints, this is one more vertical member, and now you can add the inclined members like this. Okay, then the second bottom chord member, vertical member, and the second inclined member. So in this way we can create a truss. Remember, we are analyzing the determinate trusses. Let us try to add the diagonal member first. Yes, we can add like this. So this is the truss. Normally we are coming across these trusses when we are analyzing a bridge truss. Right, now next part is, let us add the support. So select support and simply, suppose for leftmost point, I will press the left button of the mouse and I will simply drag the point in downward direction. So I am having a roller at the left hand support. For right hand support, again press the left button of the mouse. If you stretch it horizontally, you will having a horizontal support. But I don't want horizontal support, I want vertical support. And now automatically the software will select a hinged support at right end and a roller support at the left end. Thus the truss is determinate truss having only three unknown reactions, which we can find manually using conditions of equilibrium. Now next part is application of loads. So let us apply loads. I will apply loads on bottom chord. Again put the cursor on this joint and drag it in vertical direction, downward direction, and write the load magnitude 10. I will try to type kilonewton, enter load. So it is not taking the unit, only 10 will appear. Second load I will select again in the same fashion, say 10 kilonewton again. Okay. Third load I will apply here and its magnitude is say 20 kilonewton. Enter this load. You can apply horizontal load as well, like this. Put the cursor on the joint and simply drag it to the right and select magnitude, say 5, enter load. So all the loads are now assigned which are acting on the truss. Now simply press this compute button. If you press this button, the software will analyze the truss within a very short time, like this. So here these are the joints. The joints are also named A, B, BC, CD, DE, EF, okay, GH, HI, JK, KL, like that. And all these are the members. The compression members are shown in yellow color. The tension members are in blue color, while the zero force members are in violet color. And the reactions are also shown. Fx is equal to 5 kilonewton, summation Fx, if you apply, horizontal reaction will be equal to 5 kilonewton. And this is vertical reaction at A, this is vertical reaction at F, this is horizontal reaction at F. So in this way we can complete the analysis of determinate structure using MD Solids software. In the next video, we will discuss few more problems related to analysis of structures. Thank you.